In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for so your books stay accurate. Let's start on your main QuickBooks Online dashboard. In the upper right corner of the screen, look for the gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's where most of the global options for your account live. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the menu. From the menu that appears, choose the option called Account and Settings. This is the area where you control things like your company information, billing, and key accounting preferences, including your currency. Click Account and Settings to open that window. Inside Account and Settings, you'll see several tabs down the left-hand side. Find and select the tab labeled Advanced. The Advanced tab holds a lot of the behind-the-scenes options that affect how your QuickBooks behaves, so it's a good one to get familiar with. Once you're on the Advanced tab, scroll until you find the section called Currency. This is where you can see your current home currency and manage related options. On the right side of this currency section, you'll see a small pencil icon, which is the Edit button. Click that pencil icon to enable editing. Now you'll see the Home Currency drop-down menu. This is the main currency your books are kept in, so choose carefully. Click the drop-down, then select the new currency you want to use from the list. Take a moment to double-check you've picked the correct one, because this setting affects all your reporting and financial data going forward. If you have not yet activated the multi-currency feature in QuickBooks Online, the next part is simple. After choosing your new home currency, click Save, and then click Done to close out of the settings. Your home currency will now be updated, and all new transactions and reports will reflect that change. If you have already activated the multi-currency feature, there's an important limitation to understand. When multi-currency is turned on, you cannot change the currency for existing customers, vendors, or accounts. Instead, if you need a customer or vendor to use a different currency, you must create a new profile for them and assign the correct currency during setup. This keeps historical transactions consistent, but it does mean you'll manage separate profiles for different currencies. And that's it. You've now seen how to change the currency in QuickBooks Online and what to do if multi-currency is enabled.